Hello dear students of class 9th. Today I am going to start exercise 4th B of the topic expansions. This is video number 3 of this chapter, my dear students. Before doing the exercise 4th B, we have to do some basic concepts. So my dear students, see the basic concepts. A plus B whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. It can also be written as, or it can also be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab multiplied with a plus b. Okay. See second concept. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. It can also be written as, or a cube minus b cube minus 3ab multiplied with a minus b. With the help of these formulas, we make two other identities. See identity number 3. With the help of first formula, we can find out a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab multiplied with a plus b. Fourth identity. With itself, we can find out fourth identity. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab multiplied with a minus b. My dear students, to complete exercise 4th B, we have to learn all these formulas. However, we have already learned these formulas in the previous classes. Now, my dear students, one of the most important property I am going to tell you. See, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Let us suppose that a, b, c be any three numbers and the sum of these numbers is 0, then always remember that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 times of ABC. This is also an important identity. If the sum of A, B and C is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube must be equal to 3 times of A, B, C. Now, I am going to start exercise 4B. See question number first. In question number first, we have to find the cube of, we have to find cube. See, let us take its third part. Its third part. 2a plus 1 upon 2a raised to the power 3. Find its cube. So we know that a plus b cube, a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So with the help of this identity, we can solve this problem very easily, my dear students. See, a cube plus b cube plus 3 a square into b plus 3 a b square means the square of 1 upon 2a. Okay. Now see, This is what 8a cube plus 1 upon 8a cube. This is what 3 into square of this portion 4a square upon 2a. See here, this is what 3 2 ja 6a multiplied with 1 upon square of this portion 4a square. Okay, we can write it as 8a cube plus 1 upon 8a cube. 2 2 जा 4, a से एक a कैंसिल किया, 3 2 जा 6a प्लस a से एक a कैंसिल हुआ, 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, we obtain 3 upon 2a. So my dear student, this is the required answer of this problem. Hope you understood well. Okay, now I am going to take second problem. See second problem of this exercise. Okay. Question number second is what? Question number second is, if a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47. The value of a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47. We have to find a plus 1 upon a, and second is a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Okay. See solution. A square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 47. Okay, we have to find out a plus 1 upon a. To find out the value of a plus 1 upon a, make it perfect square. What I am saying, listen carefully, make it perfect square. We can make it perfect square by adding 2. By adding 2 on both sides. 47 plus 2 becomes 49. Now, dear students, you can see this will become a plus 1 upon a ka whole square, which is equal to 49. Because you can see a plus 1 upon a whole square is what? A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2a into b. देखिए a से a कैंसिल हो रहा है, तो you can see a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. Okay, means to make it perfect square, we add 2 on both sides, we obtain a plus a whole square is equal to 49. Then what is the value of a plus 1 upon a? Plus minus square root of 49. Okay, always use plus minus when solve such type of problems. We obtain what? Plus minus 7. Okay, now see. In next part, we have to find a cube plus 1 upon a cube. See, a plus 1 upon a whole cube can be written as a cube plus 1 upon a cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We can open this identity as by using the formula a plus b ka whole cube. This is what a cube plus 1 upon a cube. You can see cancel, we obtain 3 times of a plus 1 upon a. Okay. Now see, we have to find whenever we have to find a plus 1 upon a ka whole cube, we have to apply this identity. Now dear student, with its help we can find out the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. With the help of this identity, you can easily find out the formula of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So a cube plus 1 upon a cube with the help of this formula is what? A plus 1 upon a का whole cube, और इसको इधर ट्रांसफर कर दीजिए माइनस 3 टाइम्स ऑफ a plus 1 upon a. Okay, this is the formula of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Now see, now two cases arises. We have to solve for the two cases when a plus 1 upon a is positive 7 and when a plus 1 upon a is negative 7. So case first, when a plus 1 upon a is equal to 7. Okay, see, then a cube plus 1 upon a cube, a plus 1 upon a का whole cube means 7 का whole cube minus 3 times of a plus 1 upon a, which is what? 7. Now see, the cube of 7, 7 7 का 49 into 7 is 343. This is what? 343 minus 21. 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, 3. 322 is the answer of the case first. Now, we take case number 2. Because in such type of problems, we have to solve for both the cases. Here you can see the value of a plus 1 upon a is plus minus 7. So, first find out the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube for positive 7, and after that find out the value of a cube minus a cube plus 1 upon a cube for minus 7. Now see, a cube plus 1 upon a cube becomes what? A plus 1 upon a का whole cube. What is the value of a plus 1 upon a now? Minus 7. Minus 7 का whole cube. Minus 3 multiplied with minus 7. This is what? Negative 343 plus 21. Okay. This will become what? Minus 322. Okay. This is the required answer. Now, let us take another problem. See, question number 3rd is same. Okay. Now see, question number 4th. A plus 1 upon a is equal to p. We have to show that a cube plus 1 upon a cube is equal to p times of p square minus 1 minus 3. If the value of a plus 1 upon a is equal to p, then what is the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube? Okay. See, solution. To solve this problem, see, first what we have to show? We have to show a cube plus 1 upon a cube is such and such. प्रॉब्लम में क्यूब एंटर हो गया तो मैंने क्या किया? फाइंड आउट द क्यूब of both sides. A plus 1 upon a whole cube is equal to b cube. This is what? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to p cube. Okay. Now dear students, see, a cube plus 1 upon a cube. What is the value of a plus 1 upon a? The value of a plus 1 upon a is p. So substitute the value of a plus 1 upon a, we obtain 3p is equal to p cube. Now dear students, we have to find out the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. You can see the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube is what? The value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube is p cube minus 3p. Okay. Now see here, what is common here? We can take p common. We obtain p square minus 3. So, I think you understood well this question. Now dear students, I am going to take next problem for you. Question number 5. See question number 5. If a plus 2b is equal to 5, this is given. Okay. The value of a plus 2b is 5. Then show that we have to show what we have to show? A cube plus 8b cube plus 30 times of ab is equal to 125. Now, dear friends, see, we have to show a cube plus 8b cube. Again, you can see क्यों एंटर हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम में. Okay, to solve this problem, find the cube of both sides. Okay, a plus 2b whole cube is equal to 125 because the cube of 5 is what? 125. Now open it. A cube plus b cube, 8b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You can see a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to what? 125. Now dear students, this will become a cube plus 8b cube, 3 to the 6ab multiplied with a plus 2b, multiplied with a plus 2b. My dear students, you can see the value of a plus 2b is what? 5. Substitute the value of a plus 2b here. 125. A cube plus 8b cube, 6 5s are 30 times of ab is equal to 125. This is the solution of question number 5, my dear students. Now, I am going to take next problem, and the problem is based on this concept, my dear students. In the beginning of the video, I have already told you that whenever a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the cube of a plus cube of b plus cube of c is always equal to 3 times of a, b, c. Means 3 is multiplied with a, multiplied with b, multiplied with c. This is question number 8, and the question number 8 is use property. Use property to evaluate. My dear students, you have to apply the property here. You can't solve it directly. Okay, you can't solve it directly. You have to apply the identity. Now see, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. Consider a is equal to 13, b is equal to negative 8, c is equal to negative 5. See, a plus b plus c. What is the value of a? 13. Plus, what is the value of d? Negative 8. Plus, what is the value of c? Negative 5. When we add all these numbers, we obtain 0. Means a plus b plus c is equal to what? 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to what? 3 times of a, b, c. 3 times of a, b, c. This is what? 39 into 40. This is 1560. Okay. Now, my dear students, you have to solve or try yourself up to question number 10. And next video, that is video number 4, will be uploaded soon. Thank you very much, my dear students. I hope you all understand here the concept, okay, of exercise 4B. I have already told you, learn all the identities which I have already told you, okay. When you learn all the identities, then this exercise is very easy. Thank you very much.